Hi, I'm Dr. Mayer Olcha, a fertility specialist and a co-founder of Sama Fertility. Welcome to our education channel. It's been almost a decade since I've been practicing fertility medicine, and I'm so proud that I've now helped thousands of women and LGBTQ couples build their families. And I'm excited to share my experience on this channel with all of you. Our goal at Sama is to help you and your partner make the right informed decision, go through this journey with less stress, and have the highest success. So if you're ready to learn and start your family, hit that subscribe button. Now let's dive into the world of virtual fertility care and see how Sama's virtual IVF and egg freezing platform can help future parents like you build your families, and do so without wasting endless time at doctor's appointments while saving thousands of dollars. Let's start with in vitro fertilization, or IVF, at Sama Fertility. In short, IVF is this remarkable technology that allows us to take a single sperm and an egg, put them together, and create a baby. It's a bit like baking a cake, but instead of flour and sugar, we use eggs and sperm. The challenge with IVF is that it can be really expensive, with some clinics charging $20,000 or $30,000 for a single cycle. Since about 60% of women have to complete more than one cycle, it can take a ton of time. And with endless doctor's appointments and waiting and commuting, this can be a real struggle. So that's why Sama Fertility offers virtual IVF for women and couples that want to complete their fertility treatment on their own terms. Our process is different from the traditional fertility clinic in three major ways. First, virtual IVF is much more convenient than traditional fertility treatments with how much time and hassle you'll save. Using remote monitoring technology, you can track your own hormones and follicle levels from the comfort of your house. Alternatively, we partner with local monitoring clinics so that you can visit a place close to your house instead of having to travel hours to another IVF center. Secondly is pricing. Sama offers some of the most affordable IVF plans in the country. In fact, most of our patients pay 40% less than the industry standard. For example, Sama offers an all-encompassing IVF plan. That includes your medications, your monitoring, your egg retrieval, your transfer, and even genetic testing of embryos, all for about $15,000. And lastly is the level of dedicated and personalized care that you'll receive from myself or one of our experienced team members. With our technology, I no longer have to spend hours of mindless time working on administrative tasks. Now, I can spend that time focusing on your fertility care. Many fertility clinics try to shield you from the doctor because doctor's time is expensive. But we do the opposite. We believe it's essential that you meet with me and that we have a constant open communication channel for you to be successful. And don't just take my word for it. Our patient reviews are phenomenal, and they speak for themselves. The results of virtual fertility care versus traditional care are remarkable, and we'll definitely share more of that in our next video. Sama offers virtual egg and embryo preservation services so you can extend your fertility. As a society, we can be pretty hypocritical. We encourage women in their 20s to put their careers first, but we don't educate them that a woman's peak fertility and egg quality actually starts to decline as early as 28 years old. Virtual egg freezing works very similar to IVF, except once we retrieve your eggs, we store them for future use. It's a popular option for women that want to have it all, especially those women that want to prioritize their careers, their life goals, and their relationship before having a child. And with Sama's unique and flexible options, you can perform the entire process with discretion, without taking time from your work and without it affecting your personal life. Our team at Sama would be honored to help you start your family. So if you're ready to take control of your own fertility journey, or simply have questions about egg freezing or IVF, simply book a free consult with me at sama.life/YouTube, or share a comment below in our YouTube channel. That's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video.